stop. If you want to build a more flexible, active, and powerful body, this routine is exactly what you need. Make sure you watch this till the end. The key is consistency. Try to follow this routine every morning for at least 20 to 30 days. We start with the crab pose. Get into position slowly and keep your body controlled. This movement helps activate your muscles and properly warms up your body for the workout ahead. Next, we move into the kneeling plank. Focus on balance and stability here. Keep your core tight and hold the position with control. This exercise is great for improving core strength and overall body control. Now we go into the plank to pike. This is a full body movement that especially targets your core and shoulders. Perform each rep slowly and with control so you can fully engage the muscles. Then we continue with lying hip abduction. This movement activates your lower body and improves hip mobility. Avoid rushing. Keep every motion smooth and controlled. Next is the adductor stretch. This stretch targets your inner thighs and improves flexibility. Stretch according to your comfort level and never push beyond your limit. After that comes the glute bridge. Engage your glutes and core as you lift. Squeeze at the top and lower down with control to get the maximum benefit from each rep. Then we move into the frog stretch, a deep mobility stretch that opens up your hips and relaxes the lower body. Stay in the position comfortably and keep your breathing steady. Finally, we finish with the child's pose. This helps your body relax and recover after the workout. Take deep breaths and allow your body to fully release tension. If you've made it this far, comment 30-day challenge. Remember, fitness isn't about a perfect workout. It's about consistency and discipline every single day. Stick with this routine daily, and after 30 days, you'll clearly feel the difference in your body. Now let's finish the session and take your fitness journey to the next level, because this simple daily workout can bring a real change in your fitness when done consistently. Today we are going through a full body mobility and strength routine that you can easily do at home. The key is consistency. Try to follow this routine every morning for at least 20 to 30 days.